Carefully tucked away among a canopy of oaks in the Maritime Forest, you'll find 11 Live Oak Trail. This immaculate custom-built home is filled with upgrades and features a desirable reverse floor plan with the master on the main level. The home is tastefully finished with detailed shiplap and beaded board accents throughout. The upstairs living space in this home comes complete with cathedral ceilings, cypress floors, fireplace, and peaceful views of the forest and lagoon. The gourmet kitchen is outfitted with Jenn-Air appliances, stainless farm sink, custom cabinets, breakfast bar, and plenty of space for preparing family meals. The dining area, just off the kitchen, also features tall ceilings and has direct access to an upper deck that's intimately hidden among nature. The home's spacious master suite can also be found on the second floor and offers a private bath and direct porch access. 3 additional bedrooms can be found in the downstairs living space of this home. All of these rooms are tastefully furnished with an eye on design, with one cleverly outfitted with a set of twin beds. A cozy den is perfectly positioned for reading, relaxing, and gaming, and can also be used as an optional 5th bedroom. Almost all of the rooms in this home have direct access to a series of private porches and decks, which put the finishing touch on this beautiful island retreat. A Bald Head Island Club Lifestyle and Shoals Club membership are also available for separate purchase. For more information, call Bald Head Island Limited Real Estate Sales at 1-800-888-3707 or visit bhirealestate.com.